Alright guys, so come on.
So frog plantain, lighting good?
Yeah.
So frog plantain.
Watch out guys, we at there. We just want to know if you see the dedication. You know see the clouds? I see the sky. I like one storm, you know. Come now.
Yeah, frog plantain.
You know what we get your face, guys, your face and mask.
We have a mask, it's a glacial clay mask, even though
From?
we live in the hills, from earth elements. So even though we live in the hills of St. Thomas and Blue Mountain Valley, we still have to get to face mask in, morning face routine and all of that. Yeah.
Yeah, so we get some frog plantain from our neighbor. So?
What the ripe is ripe platinum fritters.
Yeah.
Because this have a consistency like banana, so it's almost like banana fritters.
Yeah.
So it's very crushed out and on the flour.
Yeah. One.
Alright guys, so this is saltfish with cucumber, thyme, tomato, scallion, and a little bit of pumpkin, and pepper. The pumpkin under here, so, and the saltfish under the bottom broke up already. These are the pumpkin. These are pumpkin. So all this I could cook up as the meat. As I tell you, we're mostly vegan, you get what I say? So I just fish alone with eat right now. Like little fish from time to time, but we're mostly vegan. As I tell you, the mask, we have on a face mask. Skincare is still important even though you live in the hills.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we got some tea going. Can you guess what it is? I'm just kidding, don't guess. So, we got some good old Mary Jane, because that's on the fucking menu this morning. We got some wheat tea, but you know, so we have to spice up with wheat tea, because I told y'all a little gem about how to boil your herbs as far as the quantity. So if you haven't checked out that gem, please make sure you go and stop this video right now and go back and watch the other videos that you haven't watched, and then once you're done with that, come back and watch it here. Now, in this pot, we got weed, we got cinnamon leaves, and some pimento leaves. Yes, pimento leaves. Pimento leaves are pretty badass. So, that's what we got going right now on the menu, guys.
Yes, and we're actually on wood fire today because it rain outside, so actually...
Yeah, all of our wood is wet.
Yes, so then are the hot. We have a nice little setup with the electric stove. Yeah, that's what we are used today.
Yes.
Okay, so you already know the flour. What do you call it again? Butter. These are the butter.
For the sweet plantain fritters.
Yeah. The oil are really at it, but we have put them in steam. You see there? At a one. This is the how we make fritters them. Alright, and butter in the oil too, guys. That's why the oil looks so well. Let's put butter in the oil to give the flour more crispy.
Flaky effect.
Flaky effect, yeah.
Like a croissant type vibe, you know?
Yeah, if you know croissant, you don't know what I'm talking about.
Comment below if you've ever had a croissant. A croissant.
And the ingredients in this is one ripe frog plantain, well, 2 ripe frog plantain, well, overripe, because that's how we have the fritters, and cinnamon essence, vanilla essence. I'll put rosanna in there?
Yeah.
And rosanna essence. You just forget the flavor.
Yeah guys, so this is what the sweet plantain fritters are looking like right now. Nice and golden. Smelling amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. That's the only thing I don't like about video. You can't smell, you know? So, here's what we got going on.
Let's get it, maybe next few days I'm going.
Alright y'all, so you see what one. Yeah, that look good. Just a pimento leaf, but
the pimento leaf and pimento berries. So might drop off in the pot, look. We have our own pimento trees. Everything is off the farm, guys. Everything is off the farm.
Yep, everything.
Except the saltfish.
Yes.
We don't have no saltfish.
We don't have a fish farm yet.
Yet.
In the future, coming soon.
Man.
We have our own fish farm. Just empty.
Yeah, cucumber and saltfish. You know, say enough Jamaican people know about cucumber and saltfish.
I've never had it, guys, so this will be an experience for me.
We have a piece of okra in our pot too. We have one single okra, because one I find. And we have some pumpkin. We have a little piece of pumpkin in it too. Tomato, you know, scallion, thyme, all of that. All of the other good stuff, you know.
Yeah. So yummy in the tummy tum. So stay tuned, you already know, so we're gonna come on camera and I'm gonna do one bag of something and show you and tell you how the things still. Yeah. This is the end product. And yeah. And see the dumpling and breadfruit, yeah. So we're gonna mash up everything. The breadfruit semi ripe, so it tastes so good. And then we have the ripe frog plantain. And we did add some vanilla, Rhode Island, yeah.
Rhode Island, vanilla and cinnamon extract in the flour with the banana fritters. Well, the frog plantain fritters.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, so this is what it's looking like for my Americans. I gotta remember that I gotta translate. So this is basically breadfruit. This is a type of fruit in Jamaica. You can look it up. It's really, really good. We eat it with salt here in Jamaica. This is also sweet plantains, but we crushed it up and mixed it with flour, so it's kind of like a pastry now. And then we added vanilla, cinnamon, and the spice that we have called rose and almond. And in this pot here, you know, I gotta switch it up for my Americans. I'm having people telling me that they can't understand what we're saying. So this is saltfish. In America, it's usually referred to as bacalao, and it's usually found in Spanish supermarkets, but we have that. We have some peppers, tomatoes, onions, pimento leaves, thyme. I wish I had some garlic, but you already know it's about to be bomb with or without. And we have cucumbers. This is my first time having cucumbers in saltfish, or cucumbers cooked in general. I don't know many American dishes that have cooked cucumbers, so this should be interesting. I mean, if you can have a pickle on a burger, why not, right? So the pickle is just a cucumber that's been soaked in vinegar and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we're done.
Yes, the food.
I'm sure.
It's delicious.
Fuck out there, we are sit, yeah. So now make my gravy drop out on the phone now, but you have a saltfish, yeah, so breadfruits and the dumpling. Well, the fritters, banana fritters, sorry, the sweet banana fritters.
And it's infused, sweet plantain fritters.
Yes.
Frog plantain. When I this what the frog plantain look like.
I tell you, if you're in America, this is just called bacalao. So that's what it is. Cooked up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try the banana fritter. I'm gonna tell now how it tastes. Somebody already dug into theirs.
Yes.
I wonder what that could be. Let's see what this is going on with. Whoa. That one good, guys. Really, really fucking good.
You know that long time. So I might eat it.
I'm pulling everything. What? Yeah, guys. This is
Really
breakfast.
good. Really, really good, guys.
Breakfast on the farm, you know? Oh. You'll be hanging out with us. Probably take you on the road with us. Or we have an adventure for you guys. So keep watching if you want to see that adventure and where we're headed. And no, you won't be able to tell based on the title. So you gotta keep watching. And while you're at it, while we're enjoying this breakfast, I'm gonna be enjoying whatever meal with us. Make sure you click the subscribe button. I'm gonna try like the video and drop a comment. Like, hello. So I'm gonna leave you guys now. Food too good, I'm gonna want to pick it for. And yeah guys, so keep watching. Keep watching. Alright guys, so this crazy man is in the tree picking coconut jellies. See the guys? Yeah. Him finger, hot up in him finger, basically a slice in two. And him the about to say him a climbing a coconut tree. So man don't know how to relax. Sing it man there guys. The second one there. Good.
Two.
Yes, success.
That introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Let's get all y'all. Yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. Let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get all y'all. Yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party y'all.
Where? Oh, I see him. Then sting, Kobe? Then sting? Oh. Let's see, what do you put on right there, so? Yeah.
wonder why your girl
Alright, so that is Katie doing her fishing, guys. Fisher lady. Hope she catch something today. She fish between the rocks because at this time of the day the fish are not biting. So it's about like midday. We have a fish between the rocks. Hope she catch something.
You're not even at your face, good. You're full. Give me this.
What's up?
Right now. But up, what it up?
Up so I know me ask
I
you.
mean, even to myself because every time people,
I see.
people are telling me, you see screen, yeah? But it up.
Me a good video, man, you know.
You don't know about the angles, man.
Like, yeah, still.
Yeah, up more, up more.
Look, my
Alright.
first, let me get that in.
Maca tree.
Yeah. That's smarty. Better try to get the root so we can plant it on the farm too.
Get a couple of them. I want some for my ear, that's why I want to cut off some big one. I want to cut off some big one for it.
Yeah.
So where girl get that machete there from? You want that?
Yeah, sir.
It's two-sided.
Overseas a bite.
Yeah, me can't. Hold on.
Since you've been gone, I've been just okay. I know you bad, you didn't see it my way. Since I've been gone, I've been
Say hi to the newest member of the farm. They don't have names yet, but these are Indian pigeons, right? Indian fantail pigeons. Look how pretty. You see that? That's her tail. They are beautiful. So that's the girl, the gray one with the duochrome neck, the green duochrome, and this is the boy. Green and purple, yeah. Holy shit. The camera's doing her no justice, guys. And look at him, isn't he so cute? This is the male. He's adorable. Look at his little face. So, these are the newest members of the family. Told y'all, building one step at a time. Adding to the collection, the farm collection. So you guys, drop some names in the comment below if you guys have any names for the pigeons. We haven't named them yet, so if y'all have any good names, drop them down in the comments below and let us know what you think we should name them.